Welcome back to another video, my friends. This is not just any other video. This is a video that I was dreaming about filming for the longest time. And today's video is going to be my Kindle Paperwhite unboxing. I was thinking about getting this closer to Christmas as a Christmas gift to myself. But I guess Christmas came early because look what I'm holding. So this is the Kindle Paperwhite in 16 gigabytes. A few features about this Kindle is that the screen is 6.8 inches. It is waterproof, which is very important because I will be definitely getting this with me to the beach. It also has adjustable warm light, and I personally prefer my screen to have a warmer light. And I also use most of my apps in dark mode. It is just more comfortable for my eyes. As I mentioned, this is 16 gigabytes, which is going to be enough, I feel like, for all the books that I will want to read. I did a research online and it seems that 16 gigabytes are plenty to hold a huge number of books. So I've had this Kindle for the past few days, but I haven't unboxed it yet because I wanted to sit down and film this video for you and to unbox it with you. I feel like I am officially a book girl now, even though I already was, but I was mostly reading physical books. For the past few months, I have been reading on my Kindle app on my phone, but reading from your phone is not that comfortable. It is bad also for our eyes. And also the main reason why I wanted the Kindle Paperwhite was because of the Kindle Unlimited subscription. If you don't know, Kindle Unlimited offers a huge variety of books. You pay a monthly subscription and you're able to download and read as many books as you want, as long as they are in the Kindle Unlimited section, bookshelf. And don't sleep on Kindle Unlimited. I have made, again, a research and I have found that Kindle Unlimited has really good books there, and I have already read a few Kindle Unlimited books. I will have the books that I have read so far on the screen and they are fantastic. So let's unbox this and let's set it up together. Setup is ready now, and out of the blue my Kindle is installing an update and it says that it will restart when the installation finishes, so I'm not going to be able to do anything to it at the moment. But the setup was very easy. Like you saw, connected to my account from my phone, so all the books that I had already read, all my account's details were automatically transferred in my Kindle, which was very easy. So while this update is being installed, how about we customize my case? I have a simple black case here. I definitely wanted a case that folds and closes just to protect the screen when I have the Kindle on my bag or when I am just holding it in my hand and I'm walking around. So I have a black, simple, basic case here, and I thought that I could add a few stickers on it. I will be honest, I have seen numerous videos of book girlies customizing and decorating their Kindle, but I'm not a huge sticker fan when it comes to having the stickers on your Kindle. It's not bad, it's a nice look, it's cute, but I think that maybe at some point I'm just going to get a case that might be in a color that I like, maybe a green one or a red one. My camera's battery is flashing, so let me charge that and I will be right back. This video is going smoothly. It's going very smoothly. Updates, battery, perfect. We're back. The update is done. The battery is charged. And while the battery was charging, I was just playing around with the brightness, the warmth, and the font that I want my Kindle to have. So I have some settings now, but they might change as I'm using the Kindle and as I am reading. Maybe the settings that I have chosen now won't be that comfortable for my eyes while I'm reading, or maybe I will have a different setting for the daytime and a different setting for the nighttime. What I noticed is that even though I use the dark mode pretty much everywhere, like I told you before, I feel like for the Kindle it is more comfortable for my eyes, at least now that it is daytime, to have it in the light mode. The dark mode is just too dark and it's not that comfortable, I feel like, especially at the home page where I can see all the book covers. So I have the brightness at the moment at 20, the warmth at 5, and I'm using the light mode. And when it comes to the theme, I have chosen the option current theme, and then the font is the Amazon Amber, and the size is number 5, and I haven't made the font bold. So as you can see, I can also change the layout, the orientation, the alignment, the spacing. There are so many options, and when I click more, I have more options here. I can click reading progress, and I can choose page in book, time left in book, time left in chapter, location in book. What should I choose? I like page in book, but I also like time left in chapter. So now, since I chose for my Kindle to show me how much left I have in a chapter, it says down here learning reading speed, so I will have to read the book for an amount of time first so the Kindle can understand how slowly or fast I read. And down here it shows the percentage of the book that I'm into, and I guess that if I want to see in which page I am, I can go like this, right? No? Okay, yes. And it will show the chapter and the page. So it says page 5 out of 490. So for now, I will leave it like that. But at the more options here, I can also click show clock while reading. I will turn this on because I would love to watch the time, to see the time while I'm reading, so I won't have to touch my phone. And maybe that will also make me want to use my phone, and I will start scrolling. Maybe I will see a notification. So I think that it is better for me to see the time up here on my screen. There are so many other options here, and the one that I also want to turn on is the word wise option, which shows easy hints above unfamiliar words. I will be reading English books, but sometimes there are some words that I don't know what they mean. So an explanation is nice, it is helpful. So now, as you can tell, above some words, there are some explanations, and I can also choose how many hints the Kindle is going to show me for unfamiliar words. I think that I will put it somewhere in the middle, so I will have a decent amount of hints, even though a lot of the words I already know what they mean. But if in case one of the words is unfamiliar for me, I can just press it, and now it again gives me an explanation. And of course, if I want to highlight something, if I like a quote or something, I can just highlight it like so. And now up here, I will have my highlights. I think it's this option, yeah, and I will have all of my highlights right here. This is not an in-depth tutorial. I just wanted to show you just a few options and explain a few basic things about how to use a Kindle if you're new to it. I am new to it as well, but because I was using the Kindle app on my phone, I was a bit familiar with it. And also there is a setting where you can have the cover of the book you are currently reading as your screensaver, let's say. So you go up here on the dots and you will go to settings, you will go to screen and brightness, and you will turn on the first option, which says show covers on lock screen. So you want to turn this on, and now when you lock your Kindle, it will show you the cover of the book that you are currently reading. I'm not reading this book currently, I just want to read it at some point. That's why I have it here as an example. But I don't know if it will keep this here until I pick it up again, or if it will show any other screensavers. I'll have to wait and see. And let's slightly customize, decorate my case. So it is a simple black case like I showed you before. And I have a few stickers here. I have these earthy leaves and arrows. Then I have these, which are the days of the week. Don't mind those. but I have, you know, like these moons and these flowers and leaves here, which I think are cute. Then I have a more romantic aesthetic here, pink flowers. And we also have a cozy, cute aesthetic here with the coffee and the plants, even though the rest of them are just, you know, stickers that someone would use to create a to-do list. But I think that I will go, let's see. You know what? I will keep it simple. I will use one of the moons and I will add some of these flowers and I will call it a day. And in case I don't like them, I can always just take them off, and it's okay. Like I said before, the stickers are not exactly my vibe for my Kindle, so I will probably maybe just get another case at some point, which will be in another color, or I will just keep this one blank, or if I find stickers that are really my vibe, I might stick them on. I know that I could also get a clear case and just add a few stickers on the back like most girls do, but I want a case that closes on the front. So I will stick my stickers and I will show you the final result. Alright, this is the final result. What do we think? I don't think that it is that cute. But it's not bad either, you know? It's not bad either. We have the moon here in the center and some random leaves and dots down here. I think that it's giving fantasy. Or maybe it is not and it is just my imagination. But for now, I will leave it like this. I have my Kindle inside. Oh my god, how did it know that I opened it? Oh, okay, I see. This is a special type of case. So I guess when I close the case, the Kindle will be turned off, and when I open it, it will lead me to the home screen. But that means that I will never be able to see my book cover because my book cover is now beneath here. But what if I just... Now I can see my book cover. I am liking this. Maybe I won't need to get another case after all. And have also tested the stickers and they don't mess up my case. So if I want to take them off, I can, and they won't leave a mark on my case. But maybe if I leave them for a few months, they will. But anyways, this is my new Kindle Paperwhite. I'm very excited to start reading on this one. And I feel like Kindle Unlimited is just popping off. They have so many good book options. At least book options that I want to read. First of all, they have the whole Zodiac Academy series there. They have the Crowns of Nyxia. They have Spark of the Everflame. They just have so many books that I want to read. So I don't think that I have anything else to say about my Kindle. I guess this is the cord that I will use to charge it. And I am very excited to finally be a Kindle girly. I mean, I'm not gonna stop reading physical books. That's not gonna happen. I will read both physical books and books that I can find on Kindle Unlimited because the options are fantastic. So guys, that brings us to the end of today's video. I truly hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye friends!